Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So actually you can do it in two ways. Let's start with the first method. You have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see now, you can come along with both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to your HUAWEI P40 Lite E. Click on OK to go back, and now we will come along with the second method. To open IMEI and serial number through the settings, obviously you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select system, and here go to the about phone. And now scroll down a bit. Here under IMEI number you've got your IMEI number, and if you will go to status, you will be able to come along with serial number as well. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily locate unique numbers assigned to your HUAWEI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.